हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज देवाशीष मिश्रा। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग। मैं आज 40 क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयर किया हूँ। ये पार्ट 1 है, पार्ट 2 भी आएगा। अगर तुम लोग बीटेक स्टूडेंट हो, एमटेक भी हो, डिप्लोमा हो, आईटीआई हो, +2 हो, जो भी स्टूडेंट हो, जो क्वेश्चन मैं बोलने जा रहा हूँ वो तुम लोगों को डेफिनेटली हेल्प करेगा जब भी तुम किसी भी इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, किसी भी वाइवा बस के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, किसी भी लैब के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, और डेली टू डेली लाइफ में अगर तुम प्रिपेयर कर रही हो, ये तुमको हेल्प डेफिनेटली करेगा। शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को। इससे पहले मेरा बहुत सारा वीडियो है, तुम लोग मेरा प्लेलिस्ट को जा सकते हो। बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग स्टेप बाय स्टेप बहुत सारे वीडियो है, तुम लोग देख सकते हो। अगर तुम और कुछ नया वीडियो चाहते हो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, तो मुझे कमेंट करो, मैं न्यू वीडियो तुम लोग के लिए ले आऊंगा। ठीक है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को। वन बाय वन वी विल स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज करंट? तुम जब भी किसी भी इंटरव्यू में अटेंड करते हो इंटरव्यू, और किसी भी वाइवा में जाते हो और शुरू करते हो बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल पढ़ना, एक क्वेश्चन पहला आ जाता है, व्हाट इज करंट? सिंपल, फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन ए कंडक्टर। योर आंसर मस्ट बी फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन ए कंडक्टर। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज कंडक्टर? A conductor is a substance that readily allows a current to flow through this. Current can easily flow through this. That is called a conductor. Then what is an insulator? An insulator is a substance that does not readily allows a current to flow through this. Current cannot flow through this. Insulator is a substance, current cannot flow through this. If you have seen wire upper part, that is red, yellow, that may be black, that part is your insulator. Current cannot flow through this. But wire का जो अंदर का part है वो current can easily flow through this, that is a conductor. Next question, what is the unit of current? Very important question. Ampere. How many types of current do you know? There are two types of current, alternating current and direct current, AC and DC. What is DC? The current whose magnitude and direction remains constant is called DC. मैं तुम लोगों को दिखा देता हूं DC कैसे होता है। This is DC. The current whose magnitude and direction remains constant, that is called DC. AC means alternate. This is DC. AC means alternating one. 0. This is pi. This is 2 pi. This is alternating one, AC. The current whose magnitude and direction remains constant is DC. This is DC and this is alternating one. Next question, what is AC? The current whose magnitude and direction remains alternating at regular interval of time is called AC, which we have previously discussed. What is voltage? Very important question. Voltage is the difference in electric potential between two points. Remember this point. What is the unit of voltage? Simple, volt. How can we measure voltage? By using voltmeter. We can measure voltage by using voltmeter. How can we measure current? We can measure current by using ammeter. How many types of voltage do you know? There are two types of voltages, alternating voltage and direct voltage, AC and DC. What is the symbol of AC? Very important. This is the symbol of AC. Previously I have also told you this is the symbol of AC. Okay, this is the symbol of AC. Symbol of DC is like this. This is plus, this is minus. This is also correct, minus, plus. This is your symbol of AC, this is your symbol of DC. What is the symbol of DC? This is the symbol of DC. This is minus, this is plus. What is the rating of single phase voltage? Very important question. Maximum time question arises. 230 volt 50 hertz frequency, or you can say 220 volt, it is correct, 220 to 230 volt and 50 hertz frequency. In our Indian frequency it is fixed, it is 50 hertz frequency. Whenever your interviewer will ask what is the rating of single phase voltage, your answer must be 220 or 230 and 50 hertz frequency. That will be your correct answer. What is the rating of three phase voltage? 440 volt and 50 hertz frequency. What is a resistor? A resistor is defined as a passive element or component that opposes the flow of current. Simple, that opposes the flow of current. This is resistor R. This is resistor R. What is resistor? A resistor is defined as a passive element. Resistor is a passive element or component that opposes the flow of current. Okay. Then what is resistance? See the difference. Resistor and resistance. Resistor is a element or a component, but resistance is property. What is resistance? The natural property of a substance that opposes the flow of current through it is called resistance. What is the unit of resistance? Ohm. Symbol you can say, symbol is ohm. This is symbol. Okay. What do you mean by active element? Definition you can see, which elements that supply the energy are called the active elements. Very important question. What do you mean by passive elements? Which elements that are receive only energy is called a passive elements. Give example of active elements. Voltage source, current source, generators are active elements. Maximum time your interviewer will ask what are the examples of active elements? Voltage source, current source, generators. Give example of passive elements. Resistor, inductor, capacitor, transformers are the example of passive elements. What do you mean by ideal voltage source? It is also a very important question. Remember this definition. A voltage source that maintains constant terminal voltage irrespective of variation in the load current is called ideal voltage source. Its internal resistance does not exist or treated as zero. Very important question. What do you mean by practical voltage source? A voltage source in which internal resistance is not zero is called as a practical voltage source. What do you mean by ideal current source? A current source that maintains constant output current irrespective of variation in load is called an ideal current source. For an ideal current source, internal resistance has a very high value tending to be infinite. Very important question. What do you mean by practical current source? A current source in which internal resistance has a finite value is treated as a practical current source. How voltmeter is connected? If the voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Remember this point. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel. How ammeter is connected? The ammeter is always connected in series. In VIVA question, maximum time they will ask how voltmeter is connected, how ammeter is connected, and whenever you do your experiment, this concept must be in your mind so that you can do your experiment easily. Define Ohm's law. It is very important question. The current passing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of the conductor at constant temperature. Remember this point, at constant temperature. So we know V is equals to I into R, or we can write I is equals to V divided by R, Ohm's law. Okay. Next, what is resistance law? The resistance of a conducting wire is directly proportional to its length and inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area. So we know R is equals to, or you can say, first of all, you see R is proportional to, directly proportional to its length L, and inversely proportional to the cross sectional area. So R is inversely proportional to L by A. So you can say R is equals to rho L by A. R is equals to rho L by A. Rho is the resistivity. Rho is the resistivity. R is equals to rho L by A. Based on this formula, problem may arises. R is equals to rho L by A. R is directly proportional to its length and inversely proportional to the cross sectional area. What is resistivity? Rho. The resistance of a unit cube of a material is called resistivity. So how we will calculate? We know R is equals to rho A divided by L. So it implies that cross multiplication, rho L by A, R is equals to rho L by A. R is equals to rho L by A. It implies that R into A is equals to rho into L. It implies that rho is equals to R A divided by L. So unit of resistance is ohm, area is meter square, divided by unit of L is M. So it will be cancelled. It will be ohm meter. Unit of rho is ohm meter. Clear? Next question. What is a series circuit? A series circuit is one that has one and only one path for the conduction of current. So how we will know it is connected in series? So simple. If same current is flowing through, suppose this is 10 volt supply, and this is R1, and this is R2, and this is R3, and current I is flowing. Current I is flowing through R1, current I is flowing through R2, current I is flow through R3. So same current I is flow through R1, R2 and R3. So हम लोग इसको क्या बोल सकते हैं? Same current is flowing through three resistances. So it is connected in series. Next question. What is the total resistance of a series circuit? Formula is R1 plus R2 plus R3. What is the total resistance of a series circuit? R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to Rn. अगर तुम लोगों का 5 और 6 रेजिस्टेंसेस है, so it will be added. Does the magnitude of current remain the same through the each resistance component? Yes, current will be same. IT will be, total current IT will be I1 equals to I2 equals to I3 up to IN. What is the voltage formula for a series circuit? Voltage will be added. Vt will be V1 plus V2 plus V3 up to Vn. Current will be same, but voltage will be different. What is a parallel circuit? A parallel circuit is that in which all the components are connected across a single source of supply. So मैं तुम लोगों को दिखा देता हूँ. Suppose this is 10 volt and resistances are connected like this across this. So These are connected in parallel. This is your 10 volt supply, and across this R1 is connected or R2 is connected. So this will be called as parallel circuit. What is the total resistance of parallel circuit? 1 by RT is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 up to 1 by Rn. Remember, some students do the mistake here. What is the total resistance? We have calculated 1 by RT is equal to 1 by R1 plus R2. But when you will find the answer, you have to write RT. Suppose you find 1 by RT is equals to 1 by 5. So you have to write the answer RT is equal to 5. Okay. So sometimes students do the mistake. They write the answer of 1 by RT. But question is that what is the total resistance of the parallel circuit? So you have to write the answer of RT, not 1 by RT. Clear? Does the voltage across each parallel component remain same? Yes, total voltage Vt is equals to V1 equals to V2 equals to V3 up to Vn. Does the current through each parallel component remain same? No, It equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Remember, in series circuit, current is same. In parallel circuit, voltage is same. So, this is 30 questions you prepare. Any doubt, you just comment me in comment section. I will try to clarify you. Or if you want more videos like this, then please comment me. Second, इसका जो part 2 है, part 1 है, part 2 जल्द से जल्द आ जाएगा. So, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, students. Please like, share and subscribe.